Hello students. So in previous lecture I have taught you the old method for storing water, right? So in this video I will teach you some new method which are used in nowadays to store waters. Okay, so did you hear about dams, bore wells, boring waters, bore wells and panpoi? I don't think so you know panpoi, but I will explain. Okay students, so first topic we have but before we studied 6 methods of storing water in olden days. Now we have 3 methods of storing water in nowadays. Okay, first is dam. Okay, dams you know, right? Many dams are there in our Maharashtra itself. Some name of some dams are Janakwadi Dam, Koyna Dam, Ujni Dam and Yeldari dams. These are the major dams we can read in nowadays papers and many more places that in our Maharashtra these kind of dams are there. Okay, these what happens when these dams collect water? These dams are like big rivers used to flow and they used to build a wall, and these walls have doors in it. Okay, at the top it has doors, and a large quantity of water is collected over there. And later on what happens when these in rainy season, when these dams are full, the engineers used to release the water. And what people used to do by collecting this water? Do anyone know? The people, what they do, the engineers, they use this dam water to generate electricity. Okay, where our fans are running, we charge our phones, we charge our laptops, just because we have electricity, and this electricity is made with the water. Water is being processed, run, and energy is being removed from that water, and so that electricity will be generated. Okay, and what happens with this electricity? Many factories will also run. So this dam water is used for that thing. Next, second one we have is bore wells. You know bore wells? You can hear in newspaper that many children fall in the bore well. What happens? Big machines are taken and made a deep hole in the ground. Okay, and in the deep earth crust we'll find water, groundwater, right? These wells are dug to reach the water underground. Okay, so it is deep sealed. We can't find it. We have boring water, right? We get boring water in our home. So that full water is borewell water. They used to do a deep hole in the land, in the ground, and take the water out from there. And with the help of what? With the help of motors, with the help of many other machines, they used to take that out. Okay, and these borewell waters are these borewells are used for many other purpose also. Like I made borewell for my cultivation, for my farming work, for construction, for many more works. Okay, the third type nowadays we use is panpoi. Panpoi means drinking water stands. You can see some places have big tanks out of their home. People used to build, like after in what we say, outside of the mosque you will see one tank, right? So people will go and drink water from there. That is also called as panpoi. People out on the road needs water when they are thirsty, right? So in some places big clay jars are kept. So in old time, before, now we have the coolers out of our home. But before, what people do, people keep one full jar of water outside, so anyone going will have water over there. And drinking big clay jars of drinking water are kept for the use of such people. This water is offered for free of charge. There is no the people are not taking money for this panpoi, for this stands that you are drinking our water, give us money. People don't say that. Okay, you should not charge water if anyone is drinking. Panpoi are set by individuals. Anyone can fix this panpoi anywhere, out of your home, out of any mosque, out of any temple. You can build this panpoi anywhere. Okay, panpoi is very useful and many people use it for drinking water. Thank you.